Well, today I wanted to make my own radar. Everyone knows what a radar is. It's the things that detects planes and ships. And for that, we will need a key components, which is this little sensor right here. It's called an ultrasonic sensor. And what it basically do, it just sends wave with this part and it receives them with that part. And by measuring the time it takes for the bounce to come back, it's get us the distance. Pretty cool, right? And now we can move to the building process.
We need, of course, the ultrasonic sensor and the USB32 chip to program with it, and this plate for tests, and of course, a servo motor and cables, of course. And let's get started.
And now the wiring is done. Let's start the programming. Let's put this aside for now. And let's get started, baby. And now the code is ready. Let's test it. Let's first plug the SP32 in the PC. And let's now build and flash our project. Well, I faced a little problem with the code and I don't know, I need to see what this problem with this one. And after a long hours of hard working, I did figure it out. I actually need help from ChatGPT to figure it out. Let's keep it between us, okay? It was actually that I forget to include the library, that's why. And now let's retry it, retry building again. Let's try building again our project, see what will happen. And it actually worked. Let's try to flash our project. I hit flash again and it says it's connecting. It's connecting and it's connecting great. Okay, it is moving. Let's just if there are too many wires, I will need to figure it out how it will be faster. I think it's working right, but there is too many wires. Well, like that's better. You see it? And it's scanning, getting at the distance as it moves. Let's see the display right here. And now I'm done building this little tiny radar. It's this one. And next time I will be adding a display to show the results of the things that got captured, got scanned with this radar. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.